welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review. I had to write this down because it's long. The Shark Rocket True Pet Ultra Light Vacuum Cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, I would love it if you would give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, if you click the subscribe button and the little bell, you'll get a notification next time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Now you've had a chance to see the video, I've got a few pros and cons which may help you decide if this is the vacuum cleaner for you. The first one is the 10-metre cable. You can't do better than a 10-metre cable. It's the longest cable I've ever seen on a vacuum cleaner, and because I have quite a small house, it will go quite the way through my house. It's also very lightweight. You've got basically the benefits of a lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner with the added bonus of the cord, which means that it's not going to lose power as you go. You might only have a few little things to hoover up, which is great, but if you're doing a full-on hoover of your house, you don't want to have to keep putting it on charge. It has a good sized dust container. That's great, because if you are doing a full-on hoover, you don't want to keep emptying the canister thing every 5 minutes. It has an LED light on it, which I think is really posh. I think the last time I saw a hoover with a light on it was probably in the 80s. My mum had one of those old ones, but it had a light on it, which again I thought was really posh. This light is quite powerful, so if you do have some dark corners, it's going to show up where all the muck is. It has lots of attachments included. The last thing you want to do when you spend your good money on a hoover is to have to go out and buy loads of attachments. So for me, that is a really big bonus. It has a quick release pedal, so when you've got the main part in your hand and you decide, oh, I need to get some cobwebs from up there, you just step on the pedal, release the main part of the cleaner, and you can just pop the attachment on and carry on without having to bend over. I really do like this vacuum cleaner. It really does do the job. It picks up everything I've asked it to, apart from that one stubborn crumb who clearly didn't want to leave home. So apart from that, I really do like this hoover, and I'm very impressed with it. If you have any questions about this cleaner, you can always pop one in the box below and I'll answer as best I can. So again, if you enjoyed this video, I really would like it if you would give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!